welcome back to Skyblock. Now, I've had a problem with the lighting features of Skyblock. My videos aren't doing so well, so don't be very like the lighting's a bit wrong. Yeah, anyways, let's get in the video. The cactus just grew in front of my eyes. You know, like literally, just grew. Okay, so cactus, delete cactus now. Why aren't these two fighting? Okay, this is what I mean. Is this fully grown or not? Like, this is exactly what I mean. Anyways, so today I want to like duplicate the amount of moss I have. But where's my moss? In here. And with this moss, I'm gonna make thousands, maybe even million. Okay, maybe not millions. That's gonna be too hard. Let's put that porch there. Yeah, and sorry for the lighting. Anyways, let's get in the vid. And I need a pickaxe. Don't tell me I died with my pickaxe. Oh god, I died with my pickaxe. Oh my god, okay, should I make like spare pickaxes? I'm gonna make like spare pickaxes. Every time I die. Now I should be careful. I'm gonna keep 5 in the chest every time I try and duplicate one. So if I fall, it's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, I lost 40 cobblestone last episode, which I was gonna use for the moss. I think I was. Yeah, that was really annoying. Very annoying. Okay, how much do I need? 9. I'm gonna make like 3 sets of pickaxes. Yeah. This in the chest. Let's craft pick, some sticks and 2 more picks. Let's put the picks in here. And you know what we're gonna do now? Back to more mining. Let's go. I'm gonna need lots of bone meal though. Bone meal's hard to get. Like a bit hard to get. I don't know how much I used for the other platform. I think it was 16. And yeah, I'm gonna make some more moss. So let's do this. My way, I upload daily, but I just upload whenever I want to, cause why not? Okay, it's dripping. And let's put this in the chest, cause I don't want to die. Okay, actually maybe I should keep it. So I'm gonna go sleep. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna need a bunch of cobblestone to like smelt into normal stone. And this is why I'm talking about the lighting. You saw what happened there. But anyways, no biggie. And I need smelting materials, which is just gonna be wood. Gonna lie. Maybe a little more wood. Let's put this in here and melt the stone. Okay. And now I just need bone meal. Actually, I probably shouldn't carry this moss with me in case I die or anything like that. I'm going to the wrong island, so yeah. Okay, let's go. I lost a lapis block, but to be honest, I didn't really need a lapis. Oh my god, I can get blue dye now. Sure, good job. Okay. We're heading to this place. I don't know why I haven't made infinite water yet. Don't ask me. stone pick. I think I put the stone pick in the chest. My brain is malfunctioning today. Like seriously, my brain isn't working. Let's go. Let's go. So I need to get the pickaxe for the stone. That scared me. And it dropped nothing. Right. And the egg's too far for me to reach. Okay. Okay, man. Actually, this chick's probably going to try and break out. Okay. Okay, no one broke out. As I'm probably going to want carpet, but never mind, why did I even come here? I forgot. So, no lava. Wait. No lava. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, yeah, I remember. Actually, yeah, I remember. I didn't need this much cobblestone. But I do have it now, so... might as well. I'm gonna get the stone pick to mine the bone blocks. Because without bone blocks, I can't make bone meal. And without bone meal, I can't make it. So, yeah, I'm gonna get some bones. Okay, let's grab this bone. Okay, I got the bone. I'm just gonna take one of the bones because, to be honest, I'm not risking losing the other bones. Because I don't have like blocks to stop the bones with, so. Okay, my cherry tree just grew very weirdly, I have to say. What is that growth rate? Okay, I have one bone block. Put that here. I'm gonna harvest this wood. Why did the wood grow like that? What I'm gonna need is a sapling. Or multiple saplings. Okay, let me mine this wood. And now we have unlocked the new wood type, unless I don't get a sapling, which is going to be really annoying. Because if I just let decay normally, it's just not going to give me a sapling. I mean, maybe it will, but it's just going to go in the void, so. Oh god, I don't want sticks. Yes, sapling. Now, 2 would be good, not going to lie, but. Okay, at least I have 1. Oh, okay, I almost fell, but I also got another sapling. Great. 2 is good. It's going to start decaying by itself, so I'm going to be cautious. And start mining the tree. Okay, please don't die. Oh my god, okay, I would have died, I would have died, I would have died. Now, please, give me the wood. Oh no. Please give me the wood. Yes. I'm probably mining, okay, no, I can't. I do have 2 saplings, so I can regenerate the wood. Okay, I think the dirt under this. Yep. Okay, wait. I'm gonna want some more saplings just in case I want more. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna get any of those saplings, so. I just saw a sapling fall into the void. No biggie. And now we have 2 saplings. We can put them both in here. And finally, I can start the duplicating process. Yeah, how's 5 planks not smelt anyways? Now let's make this into bone meal. I don't think I'm gonna need that much. Actually, maybe I will. this one here. Actually, maybe I shouldn't have done that. I should put that there. I've smelt this. To be honest, I have infinite fuel. So why do I not just put the lava in? Like, technically I get infinite fuel. But I'm not doing that for no reason at all. So anyways, it shouldn't have smelted. And let's start the bone meal. Oh my god, I almost died. Okay, why didn't you turn into anything? But anyways. I now. Oh yeah, 3 seeds. Oh my god, wait. I'm so lucky. I just got 3 seeds from 5 grass. Okay, wait, what? Anyways, let's feed these 2. You can feed with your son, I think. Now they're breeding. Okay, where's this chest? And to be honest, I just realized I only need 1 every time. So, yeah. Okay, I have 8 more bone meal. I didn't even need to go and take the bone block. No. Okay, I think I can only get the moss carpet if I break the block under it. So yeah. I have a bunch more moss, which is excellent. So now I have 45 moss, which is good. Like really, really good. I get 16 more cobblestone. Okay, to be honest, I'm just gonna use the lava for smelting. I mean, why not? Oh my god. Hurry up. Hurry, hurry, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, let's get this. Let's put that there. Okay, maybe I'll just use wood after all. I mean, I'm not bothering, man. I'm not bothering. Let's put that in here. Okay, that should smelt it up. Okay, you give me a sapling. Give me a stick. That's just taunting me. I can't even reach the ice without that giving me a sapling. You know what? I'm gonna watch. And it's gonna give me a sapling. Okay, I'm bored. Okay, I'm not watching that. Okay, there are more eggs now. And now I can boop, boop, boop. And I missed all of them. Okay, let's get out. Okay, you are now out. Okay, I'm gonna want some carpet. Okay, what do I want? Okay, wait, is there any more eggs? There's more eggs. I need blocks. Blocks. Is there any more eggs? Okay, no more eggs, man. Get out of my way. Oops. Oh my god, it almost broke out. No, get out of the way. I need that sand. Wait, no, 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 no. The chicken invasion. The chicken invasion. No. The chicken are rebelling. They're rebelling. No. They're rebelling. You, get back in. Go. No, no. The chicken invasion. They're rebelling. They're rebelling. No. Why did I get sand? They're trying to rebel. I trapped them in an endless void of nothing, and now they're trying to rebel. No! The chicken rebellion. And now I need these guys to come back in. How do I do that? I don't have a seed. I don't think I see one. Do I have a seed? No, I don't. No! Okay, I have 1 seed. I don't need a robot. Chickens, follow me. I swear if you break my crops. Okay, come on. Come on, chicken. chickens, you need to follow me in here. Oh my god. You. Okay, man. How did I do that, man? So I'm gonna have to place it back. No! The chicken rebellion! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. The chickens are rebelling. No! There's only 2 left. The chickens are rebelling. No! How did you get back in? But no! I just fixed you guys. Come on! Oh my god. You guys are so annoying. Get in, man. Get in. How did you fit in here? You chicken. No, get in. No, wrong place. Chicken. How did this guy fit in? Okay. Now I can't spray. Great. Okay, what did I just do? I'm actually the dumbest person alive. Okay, let's fix. Okay, let's just do this. To be honest. I'll put that here. Okay, let's do this. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna need bone meal. You are so annoying. You know that, right? Yes, go in. Go in. Yes! Wait a minute, they all just went back in. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I just pushed them back in. That was easy. Okay, what do I do? Okay, I grab this. I do have oak now. I need food. It did a bit less than I expected. Let me get that. That. What do the flowering Azaleas do? The normal Azaleas don't. I'm just duplicating moss at this point. No! How did you escape? I saw I put all the chickens back in. No. Yes, 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 yes. Get up. Get up, chicken. Chicken, get up. No, bad chicken. Okay, I hate that chicken. Oh my god. Okay. What do I do next? Question. I have no food. How did this thing grow? I saw it in the growth stages. How did that not grow, but this grow like instantly? How? I did not bone meal. I don't think I bone meal. But what was that? Oh. But anyways, that's dumb. So, chickens rebelled, but I duplicated some moss. I feel productive. Okay, let me check if there's lava. Oh, chickens are so annoying. Should I like pigs or something? Pigs would be. Why do you go there? Of all places, why do you have to go? Okay, whatever. Okay. Yes, chicken, get up. Okay, you're the most annoying creature on earth, so I get to crit you out. Because I do need food. Okay, that felt cool. Where is a fuel? Okay, I'm grabbing this. And let's turn that to oak planks and smelt this. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this episode. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you for watching this episode. And until next time, bye. Before I go, I need to tell you about something. You see, I always post a short. And in that short, I show clips of me until I release the full video. Which is what you're going to see now. So, seeing the full video, congrats. Okay. Oh, okay. where is this hole? You know what? I'm gonna save that for future me. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.